Introducing our LCS wax melters in 16 litres and 27 litres. These are both exactly the same machine, just obviously the difference is in size. The 16 litre holds around 13 to 15 kilos of flaked wax. Obviously when melted that develops into 16 litres. The 27 litre holds around 20 to 22 kilos of wax, which is about 27 litres when melted. They both are stainless steel, which makes them durable and have longevity. They both come with 12 months RTB warranty. The features are that they've both got plastic handles, which makes them easy for transport or if you need to tip them. Each machine has minimum and maximum lines on the back of it, which you will need to adhere to when filling your machines. You don't want them to go below the minimum, and obviously you don't want them to be higher than the maximum. This style here is a thermoregulator, which will regulate the temperature of your wax, and they go between 50 and 100. You've then got a timer, so you can set the machine to be working for 60 minutes, 80 minutes, or 100 minutes. And if you want the machine to tell you when the wax has hit temperature, you can turn the alarm on. Once the wax has hit temperature, the machine will beep and tell you that your wax is ready. When in production, you probably want to turn that off, or it may beep on and off throughout production as the wax heats up and cools down. Once you've got the wax to a stable place and you're happy and you're ready to move on to production, you want to turn this timer anti-clockwise and move it on to continue. This will make the machine just work continually and won't basically stop. So now your wax is melted, and obviously you want to grab yourself a jug and a set of scales. And what you would do is you would turn the tap to on, which it already is here, and the wax will start to free flow into the jug to the required grammage that you need for the products that you're creating. You always want to operate the machine without the lid on it. They are plastic, so you don't want to keep them on while the machine is melting. And also any lids on machines will create condensation from the heat, which will put water into the wax, which may damage it. So you must make sure that you take that off. To clean the machine down once production's finished, you want to drain the machine completely once it's been turned off. You don't have to clean the machine out every time. You can reheat soy wax, it is absolutely fine. We tend to clean ours out about once every 2 weeks. Obviously, if you are leaving wax in there overnight, because obviously you're producing again tomorrow, then you want to obviously pop your lid back on to make sure that no dust gets into your wax and it's as good as new.